Welcome to Sprint Review Essentials. A sprint review is a crucial meeting held at the end of each sprint where the team demonstrates completed work to stakeholders and gathers feedback. This session ensures transparency, alignment, and continuous improvement in your Agile workflow. A sprint review is a collaborative event where your development team showcases what they have accomplished during the sprint. It is not a status report, but rather an interactive demonstration of working software or deliverables. Stakeholders, product owners, and team members review the completed work, discuss outcomes, and plan for future sprints. The main objectives of a sprint review are to demonstrate completed work to stakeholders, gather feedback on deliverables, validate that requirements were met, and collect insights for future improvements. Additionally, the team inspects the increment and adapts the product backlog based on what was learned during the sprint. Before conducting a sprint review, prepare by organizing all completed work items, testing deliverables to ensure quality, creating a clear demonstration flow, and notifying stakeholders about the meeting. Assign roles such as a demo lead, timekeeper, and note-taker. Gather all necessary tools and environment setups needed for a smooth presentation. Start the sprint review with a brief agenda and timeline overview. The product owner or team lead introduces the sprint goals and completed items. Team members then demonstrate each finished deliverable, explaining what was built and how it addresses user needs. Allow stakeholders to ask questions and provide immediate feedback. Keep the meeting focused and adhere to the time box duration. Effective stakeholder engagement is vital for sprint reviews. Invite relevant stakeholders including product owners, customers, users, and management. Encourage active participation by asking for their feedback and opinions on the demonstrated work. Create a safe environment where stakeholders feel comfortable sharing both positive feedback and constructive criticism. Their input directly influences product direction and priorities. Use structured facilitation to keep the sprint review productive. Divide the meeting into time box segments, a brief recap of sprint goals, detailed demonstrations of each completed item, a question and answer session, and finally, a discussion of action items. Assign a timekeeper to enforce the schedule. Ensure the product manager guides the discussion while all participants have opportunities to contribute. During sprint reviews, common risks include unclear scope leading to misaligned expectations, blockers that prevented completion of work, and shifting priorities mid-sprint. Mitigate these risks by flagging issues early in the review, making quick decisions on adjustments, and documenting action items. Address any concerns that could impact the next sprint and establish clear ownership for follow-up tasks. Conclude the sprint review by summarizing key highlights, important decisions made, and agreed upon action items. Document feedback received from stakeholders for the product backlog. Update the backlog to reflect new requirements or changes based on the review. Confirm cadence adjustments if needed and ensure all participants understand what happens next before closing the meeting. Thank you for watching this sprint review guide. Remember, maintaining a strong sprint cadence and keeping outcomes visible to all stakeholders is essential for successful Agile delivery. Regular, effective sprint reviews foster better communication, faster feedback loops, and continuous improvement. Apply these practices to make your sprint reviews more impactful and valuable for your team and organization.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.